Spanish flag ship owner. We have this new excellent 500,000 immigrants that during May, as the government mentioned, they will get the Spanish citizenship. So if your good company has container fleet doing cabotage around Spain or bunkers, whether it is tank or chemical or LNG, and if your good company has general cargo ships around Spain, think about the Spanish flag because it has the huge competitive advantage of tax in this planet for the ship owner and seafarers. And if you are a seafarer, every day on board the Spanish flag you get accrued 2 days, we humans shore, for pension. So if you need to have 50 years pension if you work ashore, working, on board a Spanish flagship is used 25, and out of those 25, if you are on board 12.5, then you got it. Yes, a strike. Therefore, think about ship owner. About May, we will have 500,000 more Spanish citizens. How many of these will be seafarers? Well, can we ask the government? There are 5 million government workers. Can we ask them to count these 500,000? Well, it's too much. Well, will we need other 500,000 more per year? I guess, because if we have 5 million government workers, we need 50 to pay their wages and pensions. At least that is the gap of non-born Spanish citizens that we have to get immigrants now. So it's a great opportunity. Think about Candina. We're going to start pre-selecting these new Spanish citizens, and your company will benefit. No more travel, ESG, corporate social responsibility. It looks like Europe is going to be great again, thanks to our politicians. So then contact Candina, because what it was not possible or feasible before, now it is. Also, you can think about 600 million in this planet speaking Spanish, even more and more. And so you can complicate it, put in English language, or you can simplify it, having a Spanish language in the top 4 with English. Thank you. Bye.